Hotel breakfast usually expensive in Germany. Why not try this budget hotel as daily complimentary breakfast? Holiday Inn Express Rosenheim. Standard twin room tour. Complimentary breakfast buffet. How about the gym?
Hi, I'm Tripapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Tripapa's channel and good day from Rosenheim, Germany. We are on our way to Königssee during our Bavaria road trip. As an IHG Diamond member, I decided to spend a night at the Holiday Inn Express Rosenheim. Before revealing the full details, as always, I'll let you know where I stayed previously in Nuremberg. I stayed at NH Collection in Nuremberg City, which is under GHA loyalty program, with its great location where it's so close to the old town and the train station. How about the perks being the titanium member? For full details, check the link below. I drove to the hotel where there's a public parking lot conveniently located next door. The price is reasonable, around €14 per night. Upon entering, the hotel design feels young and colorful, perfectly matching the Holiday Inn Express vibe, with comfortable seating areas for socializing. After check-in, let's head to my room. Number 110, a standard twin bedroom. Right after entering my room, the storage area is cleverly arranged. With an iron, a Corby brand hairdryer, along with a power socket, and an ironing board tucked neatly inside. An open wardrobe has a few hangers and a do not disturb sign. Below there's a luggage rack, a safe and a small chair. The wall features 3 hooks by the mirror for hanging coats. The room offers simple instant coffee with a kettle. The view overlooks the road, but luckily the soundproof windows do an excellent job. Since there are no king-size beds available here, opting for the twin beds gave us better sleeping comfort. Beside the bed there's a reading light, USB chargers and a power socket. In the bathroom, it's extremely minimalistic. No individual amenities are provided anymore. Just Dove hand wash. Below the sink are towels. And the walk-in shower is equipped with Dove shampoo and body wash. Before heading to bed, let's check out the gym upstairs. It's compact, as expected, but good enough for a quick workout during the stay. Alright, time for some rest. Good morning, Holiday Inn Express Rosenheim. I had a great sleep, even though the hotel is right next to a busy road. Before revealing the complimentary breakfast buffet,
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
Holiday Inn Express breakfasts are usually quite busy, so follow the green timing for the best dining experience. The dining ambiance is pleasant, with a good selection of pastries, cheese and ham for sandwiches. Usually, I pair it with a hot cup of coffee or tea. There are cereals, yogurt, and fruits as well. However, hot options are quite limited, just boiled eggs and pancakes. In summary, Holiday Inn Express Rosenheim offers a functional and convenient vibe, perfect for short stays. While it's not a luxury hotel, it's great value for your money. I will drive another 90 minutes, head straight to Königssee, and stay at the best hotel I've ever experienced, Hotel Kempinski Berchtesgaden. In my next video, I will stay at the most luxury hotel, Kempinski Hotel Berchtesgaden, near Königssee. Stayed at Panorama View Room with stunning Alps mountains. Experience the amazing outdoor heated swimming facilities. You shouldn't miss the premium breakfast buffet with a glass of sparkling morning wine. This is truly the best hotel I ever stayed.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.